Hello, everyone. Hope you're doing well. So, I wanted to go ahead and show question 5 here. And so, first and foremost, I know we did this in at least second hour, but we weren't able to finish it up because it did get a little messy. But we will finish it here. So, to start off here, we know that the diameter is 55 inches, and of course, your numbers might be different than mine. So, we're going to divide this by 2, so we get the radius, which is 27.5 inches. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw some lines here. Specifically, I want to draw some radii. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to draw from D to about the center. But then what I'm also going to do is I'm going to go straight line from E to C. Because if you notice, these are all different radii, right? Now, if this is 27.5, this is the diameter of the circle on the bottom here, so that's going to be 55 inches, right? And so from there, okay, well, everything else is, this is 27.5, this is 27.5, so all this is all here. And so the big thing that we need to remember is that with this in mind, if this is an isosceles triangle and it's a right triangle, because we're going straight down from the radius to the diameter, in this case, it would make a 45, 45, 90 triangle. And so this is our hypotenuse, DE. And so I'm going to go ahead and draw our little tic-tac-toe board for 45, 45, 90. So we get x, x, x root 2. And so because these are 27.5, this is 27.5, the hypotenuse would just be 27.5 times root 2, which when you do that, it would end up getting equals 38.89, and that is going to be the length of DE. Okay. So this is 38.89, and that will be the answer for DE. Okay. Now, for angle DEA, this is where we had a little bit of conflict. So I'm going to erase everything here for now. And I'm going to redraw this line that goes from E to C. The reason why is because this splits up the shape into an isosceles triangle on the top and an isosceles trapezoid on the bottom with an angle measure of 126 degrees at EAB. If it's an isosceles trapezoid, then that means this is also 126 degrees. And so we need to find this angle right here and this angle right here. We'll call that X for now. So because it's a trapezoid, the sum of the angles of a trapezoid is a quadrilateral, so it'll add to 360 degrees. So we write this all out, and we get that. Once we keep going here, we get 252 plus 2x is equal to 360, and we subtract 252 from both sides. So we get 2x is equal to 108, I believe. And so all we need to do now is divide by 2, and we get 54 degrees on each of these x numbers here. And actually, I'm going to just erase it. Might be a little messy here. But it's 54 degrees for both of these. Now, we're technically not done because we're trying to find angle DEA. But wait, didn't we find earlier that this angle is 45 degrees as well? So technically, we actually have our answer. We just have to do 54 plus 45 degrees, which ends up getting us 99 degrees. And that is actually angle DEA. So I know for second hour, I tried to do all these arcs and stuff. That made things a lot more complicated. Now, I'm not saying it's impossible, but I think you might have to pull out a lot of work for that. So this I found was a lot easier, and it actually worked out this way. So I hope this helped. If you guys have any questions, again, let me know. Please email me, and I'll help you out. Thank you.